Hello students, let us see history chapter 5, the foundation of the Swarajya. Birth of Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was born at the Shivaneri fort near Junnar in Pune district on the day of Falgun Vaidya Tritiya, Shake year 1551, that is 19th February 1630 CE. He established Swarajya by challenging the unjust rulers. Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje, the father of Shivaji Maharaj, was a preeminent Sardar in the Deccan. He tried to save Nizam Shahi by offering stiff resistance to the combined might of the Mughals and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. But Nizam Shahi was defeated and came to an end in 1636 CE. Thereafter, he became a Sardar of Adil Shah. The region comprising Pune, Supe, Indapur and Chakan, Paranganas were vested in Shahaji Raje as Jagir. He was also guaranteed the Jagir of Bangalore in Karnataka by Adil Shah. Shahaji Raje was valiant, courageous, intelligent and a great political expert. He owned many regions in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. While Shivaji and Jizabai were at Bangalore, he had provided excellent education to Shivaji so as to enable him to become a king. He aspired to establish Swarajya by ousting the powers of the foreign people. Therefore, he is known as Swarajya visionary. He sent Shivaji and Jizabai to Pune with loyal and competent associates. Veeramata Jizabai. Jizabai was the daughter of great Sardar Lakhuji Raje Jadhav of Sindhkhed Raja. She had received military training along with education at young age. She was a competent visionary and a political expert. She inspired Shivaji in the mission of establishing Swarajya. She was particular about giving excellent education to Shivaji and instilled values like modesty, truthfulness, courage and fearlessness. She saw that he has trained in the usage of weapons. Shivaji's companions and associates. Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding Swarajya in Mawal region. Mawal terrain is full of hills and valleys and not easily accessible. Shivaji Raje skillfully made use of these geographical features for the foundation of the Swarajya. S.G. Kankar, Baji Pasalkar, Bapuji Mudgal, Narayakar Deshpande brothers, Kavji Kondhalkar, Jiva Mahal, Tanaji Malusre, Kanoji Jede, Baji Prabhu Deshpande and Dadaji Naras Prabhu Deshpande were his associates. Royal Seal Raj Mudra. The objective of founding the Swarajya is clearly stated in the Royal Seal of Shivaji Maharaj. It stated that this seal will grow in splendor like the new moon. This seal of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, receiving homage from the whole world denotes the welfare of people. It covers the entire concept of Swarajya. Towards the establishment of the Swarajya, the forts in the Jagir of Shivaji Maharaj were under control of Adil Shah. The forts were of special significance in those days as it was possible to control the surrounding area with firm hold over a fort. He acquired the forts of Torana, Murumdev, Kondana and Purandar of Adil Shah and laid the foundation of the Swarajya. He repaired Fort Murumdev and renamed it as Rajgarh, which was the first capital of Swarajya. The founding of Swarajya was opposed by the Mores of Javli, the Ghorpades of Mudar and Savants of Savantwadi and other Sardars of Adil Shah. It was necessary to bring them under control for founding the Swarajya. The capture of Javli. Chandrarao More, a powerful Sardar in Adil Shahi, was opposed to the founding of Swarajya. Shivaji Maharaj attacked and captured Javli in 1656 CE. Thereafter, he captured Raigad and built Pratapgarh fort in Javli Valley. He captured Kalyan and Bhivandi on the Konkan coast. There he came in contact with the Siddhis, the Portuguese and the British. He realized the needs to have a strong naval force, so he concentrated on building a navy. Defeat of Afzal Khan. Badi Sahiba, who looked after administration of Adil Shahi, sent Afzal Khan to curb Shivaji Maharaj. Afzal Khan came to Vai from Bijapur. At the foothill of Pratapgarh, a meeting between Shivaji Maharaj and Afzal Khan took place on 10th November 1659. Shivaji Maharaj killed Afzal Khan when he attempted a treachery. He routed Afzal Khan's army. The expedition of Siddizor. After annihilation of Afzal Khan, Shivaji Maharaj captured Pannala, Vasantagad and Khelna forts of Adil Shah. Adil Shah sent Siddizor in 1660 against Shivaji Maharaj. He was accompanied by Rustame-e Zaman, Baji Ghorpade and Fazal Khan, son of Afzal Khan. Shivaji Maharaj took shelter on Pannala fort. Siddhi's army laid siege for 5 months and trapped Shivaji Maharaj inside the fort. When Siddhi showed no signs of relenting, Shivaji Maharaj opened talks with him. Shiva Kashid, dressed up like Shivaji Maharaj, sat in a palanquin and left for Rajjindi gate. Shiva Kashid sacrificed his life for the Swaraj. Taking advantage of slackness in the siege, Shivaji Maharaj escaped from Pannalgarh with Baji Prabhu Deshpande, Bandal Deshmukh and other chosen soldiers. On learning about the escape, Siddhi's army pursued Shivaji Maharaj. Baji Prabhu Deshpande stopped Siddhi's army at Ghod Pass, where he died a hero's death. This enabled Shivaji Maharaj to proceed to Vishalgarh. He defeated Dalvi of Palwan and Surve of Srirangapur. Around the time Shivaji Maharaj was trapped at Pannana, the Mughal Sardar Shahiste Khan had invaded Pune province. Shivaji Maharaj realized that it was not prudent to fight two enemies at the same time. He entered into treaty with Adil Shah and returned the fort of Pannala.